A few months ago, an innovative approach for making YouTube videos came to light. It quickly gained popularity and many YouTubers began posting videos about it. However, there was a catch. All of them demonstrated the same technique, using the same reference channel as an example, and all of them were creating fact-based YouTube videos about psychology. As a result, the market became oversaturated, making it difficult for more recent creators to stand out and achieve the same outcomes. However, no one had considered utilizing this potent AI method in our hands in novel ways, so by the time this video ends, you will not only have your own anonymous YouTube channel that you can finally monetize, but it will also be based on automation with artificial intelligence, AI. I'll walk you through how to program this AI to create all of your hashtags, titles, descriptions, and other content. Imagine making 3 months worth of YouTube films at once. The evidence, descriptions, hashtags, and more are prepared to provide the proof to you. This YouTube channel specializes on quiz and puzzle videos, which have amassed millions of views. The reason for their viral success is straightforward. They maintain viewers' interest and pique their curiosity with each quiz or riddle, which lengthens the film's viewing duration. In comparison to other forms of content, the amount of engagement in these videos is off the charts. This channel makes about $60,000 a year, according to Social Blade. Here's the strategy, the scheme. We will create short videos instead of lengthy ones because, according to Forbes, YouTube now monetizes them. Additionally, the platform actively promotes shorts which have a high chance of going viral and are preferred by viewers today. Move first, we need to create riddles. To do this, we'll open ChatGPT. If we just ask, you can act as a renowned riddles expert and create 5 short engaging riddles that your audience can solve. Each riddle should have 3 options and only 1 right answer in order to keep participants interested and entertained. We'll ask it for 300 riddles for now. Whoops, it said it can do 10 at a time, so we'll just have to keep hitting it up until we get them all.
"2,000 years later."
I'll import all of our riddle collections into a Google Sheet once we have them all arranged. Step 2 only requires 2 seconds of work. Pause for a moment, then click the amazing subscribe button to keep in touch. This will also motivate me to share many more AI treasures like the one you're currently viewing. Step 3, open Canva and click Create Video. Let's start by working on the background. Click the Elements tab and search for the kind of background video you want. Next, copy the text from the first column and paste it onto the template. You can change the text size and choose the preferred font style if you want the text to be more visible. Next, add a text background. Select the square shape, adjust its size, and choose a color. If the background is too bright, add a black overlay and adjust its opacity to your satisfaction. Return to the previous puzzle and copy the text. Next, choose a suitable font and size for the foreign language. Finally, add some motion to make the puzzle truly captivating. Mouse movements and look over the available options. Now for one of the crucial steps, Right-click the text layer and select Show Timing. This bad boy allows us to control when elements appear or fade out. This part seems to be missing something, and you're right. You might run into copyright issues if you choose Canvas music. Instead, try spending some time searching for free music from the YouTube music library and uploading it here. Here's how it looks so far to keep the viewers engaged. The real magic happens in step 4, where I'll show you how to automate the remaining steps in the procedure. This is how the bulk create tool looks. Scroll down a little, click on apps, and search for bulk create. Please note that in order to use this tool, you must have a paid Canvas subscription. Don't worry though, after you sign up, you can get a 30-day trial subscription for free. After selecting Enter Data manually, clear table, and go back and copy 30 rows including the titles, select this option, and paste them. Right-click on the title and select Connect Data. We need to connect each data point to its respective text element on the screen. The shorts can be downloaded easily using artificial intelligence. Make sure that this option is selected by clicking this link before clicking the download button. Since this video has been up for a while, it is time to creating your anonymous YouTube channel and using AI to upload these shorts. I have faith in your ability to create a YouTube channel on your own, but there are 3 important things you must remember. The title, description, and tags. Yes, they are important to achieve that. Again, I'll go to ChatGPT and paste in this prompt, telling it to create all 3 of them at once specifically for the topic you give. After you've finished all the required steps, just copy and paste all 3 of them to YouTube to go with your shorts. Actions: press the Publish button. Keep in mind that consistency is essential, and I strongly advise you to use this AI automation technique to carry out independent research and test out more imaginative ideas. People nowadays think that they can just copy and paste what other people are saying and make a lot of money. But that's absolutely wrong. You have to be more creative in order to succeed in this race. Please let me know in the comments if you're curious to see the real outcomes I get after uploading these shorts for a month. I appreciate you staying to the very end. With that said, I must now take my leave until we cross paths again.